My name is Tanya Kabia, and I just want to share you a couple of resources for writing. The first website I would like to share with you all is the Teacher's Web Tools to teach writing as a process. And what this website does is it goes through the writing process, the different stages of the writing process that you're able to click on, and it gives you information and strategies that you can use throughout the writing stages. For the pre-writing stage, what it does, it gives you ideas of writing prompts that you can use. And it gives you some other resources as well, but I'm just going to click on the writing prompt resource. And what that does is it gives you different ideas of writing prompts, and then it has questions to go along with it. So when I scroll down, to the bottom, it also has questions and answers. You can email questions and they give you answers as well. But as I scroll down to the bottom where it provides the writing prompts ideas and questions that go along with it, you'll see how this can be helpful within your classrooms. Another resource with the pre-writing stage is the digital storytelling. And within the digital storytelling, there is a resource called Storybird. And with Storybird, you have to sign up for it. And what this typically does is you're able to create a story using pictures from the website. You're able to write throughout the website, and then you're able to publish your reading so that others can be able to read. Teachers are able to set up their own class periods, and then they're able to assign. Teachers are able to assign different writing prompts or of that nature, and then students are able to be creative with the artwork and things of that nature to create a book or online book. Within the storybook, you're able to create your own stuff. You have a bookshelf. All the books that are created by your students within your class, you're able to store them in the bookshelf section. And then you can invite other people to follow, other classes to follow the other students to see what they're doing and what creativity that they have. So this is a cool website to use in your English classes. During the writing process, you are able to use graphic organizers to brainstorm, mind mapping, and concept mapping, different graphic organizers to, write out your thinking. A resource that falls under that category will be, one of them is the Read, Write, Think. So when you click on the Read, Write, Think, you're able to build your own graphic organizer here. And this particular one is a cube creator. And with this cube creator, you're able to analyze or do your thoughts step by step with this cube creator. As you drop down a little further, it gives you some information about the tool. It talks about writing assignments require a writer to make decisions about what to include and what to leave out. So it gives you suggestions as to, what you should use, what you shouldn't use. Here's another resources to help students improve their writing skills, which is called Quill. Quill is where students have interactive writing activities, writing and grammar activities to improve their sentence structure and proofreading passages in order to edit their writing. So what this site typically does is you type in what you hear is a typed in information already. What you do is you type in the information, and then after you type it in, you click check your answer, and then the system will generate errors that are presented throughout your paper in order for students to edit their papers. So I think this is a really good website when it comes to the writing process. Also with the Quill website, there's a lesson planner that you click onto, and what this typically does for our students is it provides a lesson for each student, or whatever the teacher assigns that student lesson, whatever the teacher assigned the lesson to the student is able to click on the lesson, view it, click on view. And what you typically do is, for practicing with sentence structure, it says rewrite the sentence with the correct underline noun. All the student does is to write the correct noun in the box and then click check your answer, and the system will tell you if the answer is correct or not. And the student will go through all of these and receive a grade, and the computer or the system will generate a grade for the teacher. The teacher can store the grade also within the system. Resource I would like to share is called the Teaching Channel, and what this is teachers using Google Docs, and they just share lessons that they do throughout their classrooms dealing with writing. Here are a number of related videos. They're like a couple of minutes for each one. This particular one is from 27 minutes, but it's typically from 9th grade through 12th grade. So, and they're also Common Core aligned, as you can see, for English writing from grades 9th through 10th in this particular one. And then this particular one's from 11 to 12. So teachers are able to go in and click on these resources to help them throughout their classrooms or related topics that they have.